Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Spruce Digital channel. Today we're going to talk about how you can actually write good product descriptions and write copy that actually sells. So for the people that are wondering why does good copy even matter, so to give you an example, let's say you own a clothing store in downtown LA. You hire a sales guy, he barely speaks English, so he can't talk to the customers, and he looks like he doesn't take care of himself, so he basically just looks disgusting. Do you think he's going to sell a lot of clothes? Probably not, and it's the same with your e-commerce store. If your product descriptions are bad, people are not going to buy your products. So product descriptions are one of the easiest ways to actually get a very high conversion rate. So tip number one is write to your ideal customer. If you try to please everyone, you'll end up pleasing no one. And so if you make copy and write product descriptions that are very broad and very vague, they end up feeling very impersonal. So the best product descriptions are product descriptions that feel like they are written for one specific person. So figure out what your ideal customer is, figure out why those people buy your products, what problem do you solve for them, and well, include that in your product description. Alright, so tip number two is entice customers with benefit. People are not buying products, they're buying a solution to the problem. So that's why it's very important to write the product descriptions out of the perspective of your customer and not the perspective of the seller. Think to yourself, why are people buying my products? What are the reasons? Write those down and include those in your product. Alright, so tip number three is make your description scannable. The truth is a lot of potential customers actually don't read your entire product description, and that's fine. A scannable product description is more appealing to potential customers. So to give you an example of this, Nike has a very good product description for one of their shoes. And if you look at the product description, in one eye link you'll see what the product is about, you see a couple headlines, so those are the major benefits, and beneath the headlines you see some extra information. So this is a very good product description. It's very short, but it's very specific. Alright, so tip number four is avoid yeah sentences. When we're stuck for words, we often use sentences like excellent product quality. These sort of sentences sound very vague and don't have any meaning. If a potential customer reads excellent product quality, they go, yeah, of course, everyone has the best product ever made. So instead of directly talking about the product quality, talk about the benefits and what they can do for your customer, just like Nike did. So tip number five, seduce with sensory words. Restaurants have known this for a long time. Sensory words increase sales. Here's an example of chocolate maker green and black. Adjectives are tricky words. Often they don't add meaning to your sentences and you're better off deleting them. However, sensory adjectives are power words because they make your reader experience your copy while reading. Dazzle your readers with vivid product descriptions. Think about words like velvety, smooth, crisp and bright, just like green and black does. So everybody, that was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have questions or suggestions, you can leave them down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.